Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed that intro because that's what we're going to be talking about today. How to create an epic skateboard video with just the Insta360 X3 and the 3-meter selfie pole. Let's go. Well guys, it was so easy creating a great skateboarding video with the Insta360 X3 and the 3-meter selfie stick from Insta360. It is so simple to do. You literally just put it all together, extend it out, point and shoot, and reframe later. All I did was think about what type of shots that I wanted and then just went off and do them. So we've got drone, no drone shots, we've got follow shots, we've got my brother-in-law and son diving under the Insta360 camera as well. It was just so much fun. It's really simple to do. All you're gonna do is load up your footage to your laptop from your Insta360 X3, open up the Insta360 Studio app. If you wanna know the best way on how to get the footage off your X3 to your laptop, comment down below and I'll make a video on it. So they're all loaded up. First shot is I put the X3 on a sign at a roundabout because I wanted a shot of us riding past the X3. So first thing I do is that I scrub through my footage first and I find out where it is that we start riding through. All right, so we can start, there we go, we start riding through. So I'm gonna go back a few frames to about there, and then I'm gonna add a keyframe by pressing the little plus sign where it says mark as keyframe. So click that, and I'm actually gonna start that at the start of my video. I want to mark it as trim start. So click on this little icon here and that's gonna start the video there. Now, I don't want that shot, I actually want the tiny planet. Once you've clicked on the keyframe again, simply just hover over the icons here to find which one you want. So tiny planet, I'm gonna click tiny planet, bam, done. That keyframe is set. So then we're gonna scrub through again and we start riding through there. I'm gonna add another keyframe, another mark, but I want a different view this time. So I'm gonna hit the natural view and then I'm gonna reposition the camera as well. So just by hovering over the footage and moving your mouse, you can move the camera angle the way that you want it. And there you go, there's your second keyframe done. All right, so then we're gonna scrub forward a little bit more as well till we're seeing this all pass. Come back, move again, because you want your camera to follow the guys, and I'm gonna add another keyframe just there as well. So bam, and I'm gonna keep it. Let's have a look. We've got default, crystal ball, don't want another tiny planet because I've used that one already, but we'll go with the natural view and we might just pull it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna move, scrub forward a little bit more, and that's it. That's where I want it to end. So then if you come over here to mark as trim end and click it, and then that's all your footage. That's your video done. So we can press back to go to the start and have a look at what that looks like. So as you can see, it actually pans and follows us and there was no tracking. So it's that simple. So to export, it's even easier. You want to hit the yellow button here for export. You want to rename it whatever you want to do. So it will be round about. Select where you want the footage to go. Make sure that you're in 4K because you always want to export in 4K, and always have your bitrate up to 200 because you want the best quality that you can get. And then you just simply just hit the export button. And there you go, your first clip's done. It is that simple. All you gotta do is just go through the rest of your footage like I have just here and just make those keyframes, organize the way that you want your shots to do, move them around, deep track if you want to deep track someone, and that is so simple to do. We'll just move over to here and I'll show you. All right, so there's my son right there. We're gonna hit the deep track option just here, and then look, it's already picked him up. But if it hasn't picked him up, you can hover over it and draw a box over it, and then that's going to track that box for you. So then you just simply start tracking. And if you've had enough of that tracking, hit stop, and there you go, you have tracked someone or object or car, whatever, in your footage, and it's going to be there. You don't have to worry about it after that. If we want to speed up the footage, it is so simple to do. We just click the icon for the lightning bolt, and then we have a slider that we can use to adjust on how much we want to speed up or slow down. You simply just click where you want to do it, then you have a slider that pops up that if you go left, where you see it blue, it slows it down, and then if you go right, you can speed it up all the way to 64 times. That is crazy. And also, if you see here the motion blur, if you have that selected, it's going to create a motion blur for you. If not, you're not going to get that. So then once you've done all the editing that you want to do, you simply just export it again the same by clicking export, changing your file name, making sure it's in 4K settings, your bitrate is at 200, and then just hit export, guys, and you're done. That's it. Your footage is where you want to do it. Then you can throw it into Premiere Pro and then edit it there again and adding extra stuff. But just to get this footage the way that you want on your X3, that's with the Studio app, it is that simple to do. Now let's watch the full video that I created. How was that? How cool was that? It was so easy, absolutely so easy. If you would like to learn more about editing, especially about in Premiere Pro and how I put it all together, please comment down below and I'll create a video about that. It's a lot more intense than what that one is, but that's the easiest way that I found to edit my Insta360 X3 footage. If you have found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me and tells me that I'm doing a great job. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because I have some amazing videos coming up that you don't want to miss out on. If you want to pick up an Insta360 X3, I'll have a link below. It is affiliated link and I do get a kickback from it, but I do really appreciate it when you do use that link because it helps me continue my dream of doing this. Everything else I use, there will be links for below. And until next time, guys, this is Colin from OColin out.